Roblox is showing the wrong country, or you need to update your location for correct prices, payment methods, or regional settings, you can change it through your account settings. Whether you're using PC, iPhone, Android, or Chromebook, the process is quick and works the same on all the devices. So, in this guide, you'll learn step by step on how to change your country on Roblox, no matter what device you're using. First of all, you need to go ahead and open the Roblox official website, that is roblox.com, and log into your account. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and then go to Help and Safety. Now, in this page, go to Help Center. Once you're there, select Roblox account. Now, in the search bar, type in location, go to account location, then scroll all the way down and tap on Need More Help, Contact Support here. You'll be taken to the Contact Us page where you need to simply enter the correct form of your contact information, including your username, which is optional. First name is also optional, but you need to enter your email address, which is associated with your Roblox account, and then confirm the same email address in this box. Now go ahead and select the device that you're having problem on. After that, select the type of help category. Scroll down, tap on How To, then go to Help subcategory and tap on How to Change My Location. Now simply go ahead and describe your issue in this box. You can write a sentence stating that you have moved to a new location, but your account still shows the old location. After that, go ahead and submit this form, and Roblox should respond within a few days and update your account location. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.